solution of Thanda Sharbat has 15% sugar. Sugar is here 15%. Again, another solution has 5% sugar. First solution it is, and another is second 5% sugar. How many liters of the second solution must be added to the 20 liter of first solution? 20 liter first solution to make a solution of 10% sugar. That means overall sugar has 10% in the solution of both the solutions, mixture of both the solutions. Then we find ratio 15 minus 10 is equals to 5%, and 10 minus 5 is equals to 5%. That means ratio is 1:1. So if we take 20 liter of first solution, then therefore the second be 20 liter by first solution has total 1 into the second solution which has to be taken is ratio 1. That means total 20 liter we will have to take from second solution answer. Thank you. That will be the answer. Option is option D, 20 liter. Thank you.